Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Mind Over Matter with Sankit. In this episode, I'll be talking about a meditation practice called body awareness. As its name suggests, this method refers to taking some time out to notice how different parts of your body are feeling at the moment. For this practice, you can sit in your usual position for meditation. You can either sit up with your spine erect or else you can lie down on the floor. For this practice, it will be helpful if you visualize a bright spear of energy traversing through your body as you take your awareness to different parts in the body. This will help to release any tension or stiffness in any part of the body, and you can also use this to aid your visualization that as you focus on different parts of the body, the part is getting healed. This bundle of energy can help you to visualize that as you take your attention to different parts of the body, you're feeling more and more relaxed and any stiffness or tension is getting healed. First of all, you can take a few deep long breaths to enter the meditative state. You can continue with your breaths until you are totally relaxed. If you find that your mind is wandering, just let it be and come back to your breath. Do not try to resist your thoughts, because if you try to, you'll enter the vicious loop of more and more thoughts. Rather, you can simply come back to your breath and simply let your thoughts go with every inhalation and exhalation. Now, you can take your attention down to your feet and focus on how sensitive it is, and also take this time to appreciate the sensations that you feel as your feet is in contact with the surface on which you are sitting. As you do this, you might also notice that your feet might feel heavier than normal because you are giving all your attention to it. And if you feel any stiffness or tension in this area of your body, visualize that the bundle of energy is doing its job to heal you and is releasing all the tension in your body. Then, slowly move to your upper legs and to your hip. These areas are generally subject to a lot of exertion, so take this time to totally relax it. Then you can take your awareness to the base of your spine and slowly move up through your spine. While doing this, you can visualize that the bundle of energy is traveling from your spine. If you feel that you are having some form of pain in your spine, imagine that the bundle of energy is healing each and every pain that you experience. Then, as you move up your spine, take your attention to your shoulders, and if you realize that they are not relaxed, you might have to change the position of your shoulder by a little. With every inhalation and exhalation, visualize that your shoulder is getting relaxed and that you are getting rid of all forms of pain. Then, you can take your attention to your neck and change its position if there is any stiffness or pain in it. When you feel that your shoulders and neck are totally relaxed, you can then take your attention to different parts in your head. First of all, you can focus on your face and feel how sensitive your facial muscles are. Moreover, you can also observe your sense organs and visualize that the bundle of energy is helping you become more and more sensitive to your surrounding. Now finally, imagine this bundle of energy as a small point in the middle of your forehead and try to focus on it with closed eyes. Finally, when you feel ready, you can open your eyes and come back to your outer existence. Try this practice and share how you felt while doing this through the comment section down below. Also, if you like whatever is happening here, do not forget to like this video and also to subscribe to our channel. I'll be coming with similar contents in the next videos. Until next time.